Hi everyone, my topic is home intrusion detection system. Before going into the content of proposed system, would like to introduce this home intrusion detection purpose, need for security in IoT devices. So, what is the purpose of home intrusion detection system? In the sense, it will recognize or monitor the intrusion and creates an alarm if it is unnecessary. So, IoT devices security is becoming more important today's world. Why? Because we are using IoT devices to make our home more comfort using the help of internet. So we can prepare a coffee before we wake up. We can heat up our oven while coming from the office itself, and we can control the temperature of our room, and we can monitor all the activities around our home even we are far away from our home. So this technology advancements create pressures on the manufacturer side. So the manufacturer focus on the product to be produced in a regular manner. So more and more pressure creates in the side of manufacturer. So they don't concentrate on the security level of that IoT devices. So the security patches work, that updation won't be regular in the IoT device. So for our computer, we will have regular software and hardware updates. But in IoT devices, there is no such kind of updates. So this leads the hackers to use the vulnerability and tries to exploit the devices. In our proposed system, we aim to focus on this kind of issue to be addressed in IoT devices framework. So in our presentation, we'll cover the problem objective, goals, proposed system and its architecture, and what are all the technologies used, and the system modules and future works will be discussed. Objective of our proposed system is to design a system that constantly monitor the house and its surrounding and detects any intrusion attempts happen. If the intrusion attempts happen, that data will be stored for the future references, and the proposed system allows the user to control and monitor from the remote location itself, and the system could able to identify the intruder as well as the guest around the house. The proposed system is much more advanced in the way using a Wi-Fi module. So what does Wi-Fi module do in the sense? It collects all the digital footprints of the person entering into the house premises. So Wi-Fi module which is attached inside the home will send the probe request which collect the MAC address of the person who is in the house premises. So all the MAC addresses collect from the person in around the house premises will mail to the house owner. So already the web server maintaining a list of member and non-member of the family MAC addresses. With that addresses, the server will categorize the person is a member or a non-family member. So if the intruder is not carrying any smartphone or Wi-Fi enabled device, then what the system will do? So for that, the system is using a facial recognition surveillance with open face deep neural network. So it will accurately recognize and identify the intruder's face from the family members. So this is the proposed system architecture. So it contains three parts: sensor, processing unit, and user interface access. So in sensor part, the smartphones, Wi-Fi modules, and cameras, everything will be there. From all the sensors, the data will be collected, and then it is processed in the web server and data storage unit, and the stored data will be accessed using the user interface via internet. So this is the overall system architecture of the proposed system. So technologies used in a proposed architectures are listed here. So Node.js we are using to create a web server for accessing a user interface. Ajax is for synchronizing front and back end. PyShark is used to sniff the packets from the interfaces. OpenCV is used to capture the video feeds from the camera. JSON is used to share a data between layers. SMTP is used to send a mail alert to the user, and OpenFace used for a high quality face recognition. So the system modules of the proposed architecture is, one is a Wi-Fi module, another one is a video surveillance module. So Wi-Fi module, what it will do in the sense, constantly scans the MAC address of the every devices on its range, and it categorizes that known and unknown devices, and it maintains a digital footprints. Okay, so digital footprints of all the persons are in the house premises. And the video surveillance system, what it will do in the sense, it will record all the video, and it will check the database for a known and unknown individual, and store all the details in a database for the future reviewer. So what are the technical implementation steps included in this in the sense? So configuring a Wireshark Git repository using PyShark in Ubuntu. So Wireshark we have to configure, and then wireless communication card for monitoring, and then probe packet. So we use Wi-Fi module to capture the probe packets, and then comparing a MAC address of family members as well as a guest as well as a intruder, and then upload the list of member and non-member in a web server. The proposed system is not only used in detecting a home intrusion alone. We can use in real life scenarios and commercial purpose also. To track commercial movements, we can use this proposed system, and using a multiple Wi-Fi modules, we can get a high tracking of the devices, and then we can track areas with a accurate level. And then due to privacy concern, we can't sniff user data packets. So there we can use a proposed system application. Other than that, we can use a future, we can enhance our work for a future things. The future work can be, the future work have more robust detection. So not only detecting a simply face detection and keeping, it will detect all the phases which is entering in the house premises, and we can add more advancements sensors, like motion detection, glass break sensor. So such would make the system even more reliable, since sometimes the camera may be blocked from clear view. Currently the data is stored and processed locally, but if there is integration of cloud database, we could store the data from each sensor separately on the cloud and access it for later use, or having multiple processing unit access and process the data to create additional redundancies. These are the reference for our proposed system. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to present in this conference. Happy to be part of it. Thank you so much, everyone.